goodness, I didn't see you there. Did you know that G-Force Powersports Superstore has the largest selection of watercraft inventory? It sure is super. In fact, we are the only dealership in Colorado to have Sea-Doo, Kawasaki, and Yamaha in the same dealership. We are your Manitou and Pontoon boat headquarters. We are the only Manitou dealer in Colorado. We also have a mega cool lineup of Sea-Doo switches with most models in stock today. We have your stand-up jet ski, your sit-down jet ski for you, family, grandkids, cousins, aunts, sisters, daddy-os, just about any color you could think of. Blue, red, green, white, black, combine them. This place is awesome. When you're tired of dealing with the rest, head on down to G-Force Powersports Superstore for the lowest prices in Colorado. Johnny, you wanna go for a ride? G-Force Powersports Superstore, experience the family difference.